We're bringing you back to Las Vegas, Nevada, and in this video, we're driving down the Las Vegas Strip and spending 24 hours in the Luxor Las Vegas. Access to this resort is quite easy, whether you want to drive in and park your vehicle at the self-parking garage, or you can have your vehicle valeted near the front entrance to the resort. You can even hop on a tram which connects between the Mandalay Bay and the Excalibur. This tram is free to ride and runs daily from 9 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. This tram stops at the Luxor every 3 to 7 minutes, making it easy for guests to hop between the three resorts. North of the Luxor Las Vegas is the Excalibur. And south will take you to the Mandalay Bay. Now let's head towards the entrance to the Luxor Las Vegas. Inspired by the city of Luxor, Egypt, this resort embraces the ancient Egypt theme inside and out. We pass through the giant Sphinx on our way into the large black pyramid. Built in 1993, the resort cost over $375 million and at the time was the tallest building on the Strip. The pyramid holds over 2,500 rooms and is one of the busiest hotels in Las Vegas. You'll be in awe when you first walk into the pyramid and into the theme of ancient Egypt, which is in full representation in the main lobby area. We now share the front desk and where you can book and check into your room if you want to stay. The Luxor is one of the better values on the Strip, making it highly sought out by new and returning guests. Before heading towards your room, stop by the 24 to pick up any items like snacks and beverages. We now share a look at one of the standard double queen rooms, which is located in the East Tower next to the pyramid. For being one of the cheaper resorts to stay, the Luxor provides comfortable luxury and one of our favorite rooms in Las Vegas. The view from this room isn't the best, but the comfortable beds, gorgeous bathroom with marble countertops, and separate shower and tub make up for it. After a little bit of relaxation, now we head back to the pyramid to share what you can expect in Luxor entertainment. At the Atrium Showroom, you can see shows hosted by Carrot Top, a comic show held here at the Luxor for many years, and Fantasy, an adults-only burlesque show. Bodies, the exhibition, is an educational exhibit which features an inside look at the human body. We took a tour, but filming was prohibited. The exhibit has actual preserved bodies on display, and this experience is highly recommended. Next up is Titanic, the artifact exhibition, featuring actual artifacts from one of the most famous ships to ever sail the seas. Other shows at the Luxor include the Blue Band Group, and currently being shot at the resort is America's Got Talent. The Luxor has 4 pools to enjoy, fit with beach chairs and cabanas to rent. Now it's time to share everything food at the Luxor. We start by checking out Diablo's Cantina, which features south of the border cuisine. Tender Steakhouse offers a large assortment of steaks and rare cuts of meat, all within a chic dining experience. Public House is a large sports bar and restaurant which serves American-style food and ice-cold draft beer, perfect to catch whatever game is on. The buffet features casual dining and is open at certain times on certain days of the week. The Pyramid Cafe serves a breakfast and lunch from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. every day. The Backstage Deli serves up bread, cakes, muffins, and sandwiches. Grab some froyo and other desserts at Blizz. The Luxor is home to 3 Starbucks locations located near the West Tower, the East Tower, and on the 2nd floor near the food court. Lines for each location will be very busy every morning, so plan accordingly for your morning cup of coffee. On the 2nd floor, you can find the food court, which features places like LA Subs and Salads, Bonanno's New York Pizzeria, A Johnny Rockets, Nathan's world famous hot dogs, and an original chicken tenders location. To grab a drink at the Luxor, you can stop at the Aurora, featuring a unique lighting feature inspired by the Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis. Centra is a cool bar to visit as well, which is conveniently located in the center of the resort. Place bets on sporting events at the Luxor's BetMGM Sportsbook. We want to thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed a full tour of the Luxor Las Vegas. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.